Now, let's get to today's action with Larry Shover in the pits of the CME. Larry, let's first talk about Buffalo Wild Wings. It was trading wildly high. It's come down a little bit to earth as a result of these earnings.
Yeah, well, this is the important takeaway with Buffalo Wild Wings. 20% of its stock is being held short, naked short, by people that are very bearish on the stock. So no matter how you feel about the company, it's going to temper any down move in the stock. There's so many people short it, looking for any way to get out of the stock, buying it back.
Interesting.
Now, some people think it's had its day in the sun. Some people think that chicken wing prices are going to increase in price in 2013, holding down pressure. But the fact is, they've got the market segment correct. It's a great store for a 12-year-old or somebody that's a late adult who wants to just meet, have a beer, have dinner. It's not unreasonably priced. They got it down straight. I think it's a great stock for the long haul.
Okay. Well, by the way, only pure play outlet mall company and bankrate.com, so we're waiting on that. But in the meantime, let's talk about the action here today, Larry. Not bad at all. And once again, we inch closer and closer to what is the big number? 14,160. I don't know. Is it 3, 5? I've lost count. We've said it so much.
It changes every day. And unlike the currency pits way behind me, right behind me with the equity traders, they're a lot less sensitive to macro issues right now, believe it or not. All the headlines that are coming out of Europe, it seems like the equity market's a lot more concerned with things like we're seeing banks and builders outperform, we're seeing tech lag, we're seeing correlations drop quite a bit. Keep in mind the Dow Jones stocks in Europe was up 1% today, and we were about to flatline. So people are starting to think that, hey, Europe does have to get this right, but we're a lot more micro-focused right now.
Hey, we're going to be talking with Jim Rogers about currencies and so forth, but they've been knocked around a lot this week, particularly because of anticipation on what the G20 is going to be saying on Thursday. Where is the dust going to settle on these currency exchanges?
Well, for me, I think it's going to take a while, but this happens in currencies all the time. We've done nothing for so long. Volatility was so cheap, and all of a sudden, like yesterday, we had today, 170 tick move in the Japanese yen. I mean, right now, and Jim's going to agree with this, we're at a race to the bottom right now. We're trying to find a place where all currencies are going to be competitive. The headline risk is that we're having a currency war. That's simply not the case right now. It's a race to the bottom as everybody is making their currency cheaper, becoming a lot more of a parity around the world.
Okay, Larry Shover, we'll see you in a couple of minutes.